We have a dog named Princess. My granddaughters, they call them Princess. So, and now Princess, get over here. And they are my daughters and my granddaughters, and the dog looks.
So my name is Savannah Rodriguez. I'm Rodriguez.
I'm Linares.
I work for the Urban Park Operations, and I've been here for 3 years and 4 months.
My name's Rina Linares. I've been in Cleveland Green for 5 years and Trails for 2 years. And it just keeps getting better and better.
Yes, I did want to follow in her footsteps. Got hired and I was really excited and blessed. I love servicing the parks. I try to make it, serviced and clean and maintenance and as well safe for everyone.
What I do in the trails, make sure that it's a safety environment, that there's not trash or debris from the weather in the trailway where they could hurt themselves.
Has there been a time where you all have worked together on a project?
Yes. For her to experience the same crew leaders, I'm like, they're awesome. You're going to love them. Man, you got good crew leaders. I've always told her, hey, you need to be professional no matter where you're at because you're going to grow. And I've always seen her grow. It is any mother's dream, I would say. That now I get to see the beauty in the outcome.
As a mother myself, I'm very blessed for my mom, and for her guiding me and helping me through life. Cherish that time that you have.